Hello everyone. Question is, which three statements are true about promises? Option A promise has a dot then function method. Option B, a fulfilled or rejected promise will not change states. Option C, the executor of a new promise runs automatically. Option D, a pending promise can become fulfilled, settled, or rejected. Option E, a settled promise can become resolved. Correct answer is option A, B, and option D. Question is, a developer is trying to convince management that their team will benefit from using Node.js for a backend server that they are going to create. The server will be a web server that handles API requests from a website that the team has already built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Which three benefits of Node.js can the developer use to pursue their manager? Choose three options. Option A ensures stability with one major release every few years. Option B uses non-blocking functionality for performant request handling. Option C installs with its own package manager to install and manage third-party libraries. Option D performs a static analysis on code before execution to look for runtime errors. Option E executes server-side JavaScript code to avoid learning a new language. Correct answer is option B, C, and option D. Question is, a developer creates a generic function to log custom messages in the console. To do this, the function below is implemented. Which three console logging methods allows the use of string substitution in line 02? Option A info, option B error, option C message, option D assert, option E log. Correct answer is option A, C, and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, refer to the code below. What value can a developer expect when referencing o.js.second-city? Option A, an error. Option B, within single quotes New York. Option C, within single quotes small letter New York. Option D, undefined. Correct answer is option C. Question is, given the code below, what is logged to the console? Option A 123, option B 132, option C 213, option D 231. Correct answer is option D. Question is, at Universal Containers, every team has its own way of copying JavaScript objects. The code snippet shows as implementation from one team. What is the output of the code execution? Option A, hello John Doe. Option B, hello Dan Doe. Option C, type error dan.name is not a function. Option D, type error assignment to constant variable. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, a test has a dependency on database.query. During the test, the dependency is replaced with an object called database with the method query that returns an array. The developer needs to verify how many times the method was called and the arguments used each time. Which two test approaches describe the requirement? Option A, integration. Option B, white box. Option C, mocking. Option D, black box. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is, refer to the code below. What is the output if this function when called with an empty array? Option A returns 0. Option B returns NaN. Option C returns 10. Option D throws an error. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which statement can a developer apply to increment the browser's navigation history without a page refresh? Please see the options option A, B, C and option D. Correct answer is option A. Question is, refer to the code below. What is the value of result after line 10 executes? Option A, John undefined. Option B, John developer. Option C, undefined developer. Option D, error, my father dot job is not a function. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a developer is creating a simple web page with a button. When a user clicks this button for the first time, a message is displayed. The developer wrote the JavaScript code below, but something is missing. The message gets displayed every time a user clicks the button, instead of just the first time. Which two code lines makes this code work as required? Option A, on line 06, add an option called once-to-button.add event listener function. Option B, on line 02, use event.first to test if it is the first execution. Option C, on line 04, use event.stop propagation method. Option D, on line 04, use button.remove event listener within bracket click and listen. Correct answer is option A and option D. Question is, refer to the following code. What is returned by the function call on line 13? Option A, line 13 throws an error. Option B, undefined. Option C, undefined value. Option D, null value. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which three actions can be done using the JavaScript browser console? Option A, view and change security cookies. Option B, view and change the DOM of the page. Option C, view, change and debug the JavaScript code of the page. Option D, run code that is not related to the page. Option E, display a report showing the performance of a page. Correct answer is option A, B and option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, a developer creates a simple web page with an input field. When a user enters text in the input field and clicks the button, the actual value of the field must be displayed in the console. Here is the HTML file content. The developer wrote the JavaScript code below. When the user clicks the button, the output is always hello. What needs to be done to make this code work as expected? Please see the options as option A, B, C and option D. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a developer wrote the following code to test a sum3 function that takes in an array of numbers and returns the sum of the first three numbers in the array. The test passes. A different developer made changes to the behavior of sum3 to instead sum all of the numbers present in the array. Which two results occur when running the test on the updated sum3 function? Option A, the line 02 assertion passes. Option B, the line 02 assertion fails. Option C, the line 05 assertion passes. Option D, the line 05 assertion fails. Correct answer is option A and option D. Question is, refer to the string below. Which two statements result in the word cells? Please see the options, option A, B, C and option D. Correct answer is option A and option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a developer is debugging a web server that uses Node.js. The server hits a runtime error every third request to an important endpoint on the web server. The developer added a breakpoint to the start script that is at index.js at the root of the server's source code. The developer wants to make use of Chrome Dev Tools to debug. Which command can be run to access DevTools and make sure the breakpoint is hit? Please see the options. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which statement accurately describes the behavior of the keywords async await? Option A, the associated function sometimes returns a promise. Option B, the associated function will always return a promise. Option C, the associated class contains some asynchronous functions. Option D, the associated function can only be called via asynchronous methods. Correct answer is option C. Question is a developer is setting up a new Node.js server with a client library that is built using events and callbacks. The library will establish a WebSocket connection and handle receipt of messages to the server, will be imported with require and made available with a variable called ws. The developer also wants to add error logging if a connection fails. Given this information, which code segment shows the correct way to set up a client with two events that listen at execution time? Please see the options. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is refer to the following code. What will the console show when the button is clicked? Please see the options. Correct answer is option A. Question is refer to the code below. Which two statements correctly execute the run parallel function? Please see the options. Correct answer is option C and option D. Question is given the code block below. What should a developer insert at line 15 to output the following message using the load method? Please see the options. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a developer needs to test this function. Which two assert statements are valid test for this function? Please see the options. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is can have one label, two labels or more labels, my array. Which statement flattens my array when it can be arbitrarily nested? Please see the options. Correct answer is option A. Question is a developer implements a function that adds a few values. Which three options can the developer invoke for this function to get a return value of 10? Choose three options. Please see the options. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is considering type coercion. What does the following expression evaluate to true plus 3 plus within single quotes 100 plus null? Please see the options. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is refer to the following code. What is the output of line 11? Please see the options. Correct answer is option C. Question is a developer writes the code below to calculate the factorial of a given number. What is the result of executing line 04? Option A 0. Option B runtime error. Option C infinity. Option D 6. Correct answer is option B. Question is a developer is wondering whether to use promise.then or promise.catch, especially when a promise throws an error. Which two promises are rejected? Please see the options. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is which JavaScript methods can be used to serialize an object into a string and deserialize a JSON string into an object respectively? Option A JSON.stringify and JSON.parse. Option B JSON.encode and JSON.decode. Option C JSON.serialize and JSON.deserialize. Option D JSON.parse and JSON.deserialize. Correct answer is option A. Question is which code statement correctly retrieves and please see the options. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is refer to the following code block. What is the console output? Option A is better students Jackie got 100% on test. Option B, Jackie got 70% on test. Option C, better students Jackie got 70% on test. Option D, uncaught reference error. Correct answer is option A. Question is given the code below. Which method can be used to provide a visual representation of the list of users and to allow sorting by the name or email attribute? Please see the options. Correct answer is option B. Question is a developer has an error handler module that contains multiple functions. What kind of export should be leveraged so that multiple functions can be used? Option A, default. Option B, multi. Option C, all. Option D, named. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.